Hi, my name is Matthew Wankquist, and thank you for watching my Kickstarter video. Just to give you a little background about myself, I'm a mechanical engineer based out of Phoenix, Arizona, and an avid dirt bike rider, and recently been getting back into racing. That's when I noticed a need for something a little bit different that the market does not have yet, and that's my on-the-fly suspension shifter. What this does is it allows the rider to adjust their suspension settings literally on the fly, or on the track, or on the trail, or whatever environment he may be in, to allow him to adjust his clickers, which are the suspension settings themselves, on the go. Anybody that's done dirt bike riding knows if you really want to play with those and tune those in, you have to do that in a test environment, get your settings right, hope it's going to be close to what the environment you're going into if it's a race condition, or just know what they need to be, adjust them, and leave them alone. You can't adjust them while you're riding the bike. With the on-the-fly suspension shifter, you can. With a simple push button, thumb push button, and the addition of a microcontrol unit, we're allowing that to happen. It's a really simple, really small, really lightweight device that will change the way, the right quality, the right traction, and the right times that you get at the end of the day. Very strong feeling about this product because I've lived in Phoenix almost my entire life, and I know what it's like to be able to go from a sand area, a very thick sand wash, into a very shale rock environment, very hard, very unforgiving, very rough and unvarying, to almost rolling rocks, river rocks the size of your head, which are smooth and they move around underneath your wheels. And each one of those requires their own different kinds of suspension settings. So my device allows you to change that as you enter that environment. Literally within less than a second, all your suspension settings are changed for that environment, and you can pass through confidently in knowing that your suspension is going to do what it needs to do for that environment. I'm asking for a pretty good amount for support. This is due to the fact of I already have the first working prototype up and going, but the funding is going to go towards advancements in the cap design, and having machining done and electronics built and circuit boards soldered together and get it off of a breadboard and onto a green board. And getting the devices smaller, more compact, and be able to withstand the vibrations and the abuse in which I know that dirt bikes are going to go through. These are very rough machines that even though the rider may experience a very nice plush ride, it's something that the bike has experienced massive loads and massive loads in all directions on top of vibrations. So it's a very complex project, and where I'm at right now is I want to take it to the next step. I want to get it off of the breadboard, onto the green boards, and actually onto suspensions themselves of different platforms, Yamaha, Suzuki's, Betas, GasGas, KTMs. I want to get them onto multiple platforms and see how people are going to use them. And I also want to get multiple riders involved. I want to get the pros, the A riders. I want to get the beginners that have never ridden before and see what their input is and be able to build these units, put them on the bikes, and get the feedback that I need to be able to continuously grow this product into something that's going to be just perfect right into the chutes. I aim for perfection. If I still miss, I'll be really close. So that's my goal with this. We have some pretty awesome rewards that I'm offering too. You have a chance to be part of the beta program if you donate a certain amount. There's also, if you donate, I believe $1,500, I will make sure that it's tuned to you. I also get your suspension done by a professional local shop here that's known for their suspension setups and calibrating and so on and so forth. So you get your suspension completely revalved, resprung, oil changed, and the addition of this on-the-fly suspension shifter ready to go. If you're local, bring your bike down. We'll get it fully installed. If you get part of the beta program, I want your bike. I want your bike here. I want your interaction with it. I want that one-on-one personal relationship with this product, is because it's not just a machining product, an electrical device that people would just slap on and go. It's something that brings you closer to not only your bike, but to other riders as well. So, I want to thank everybody for watching this video, and I want to thank everybody for their continued support of not just my Kickstarter project, but any Kickstarter project that's out there. Thank you for viewing this. Please, if you feel free to email me, call me, or if you have any questions, let me know and I will address them, or address them in the frequently asked questions comments. Thank you so much for your time, and I appreciate it. I look forward to your backing. Thank you.